Hello, welcome to Vietnam.
Welcome aboard Vietnam Airlines. Remember,
This is our first day. Bay, nandyan na ang bag mo. Oh. Una, maghahanap muna kami ng mawi-withdrawhan. Actually, ang kukunin lang naman namin ngayon is para pamasahe lang namin sa Grab. Ay, nabayaran na? Okay. Pinahiya mo naman ako. Sana nag-support. Ano ba tong partner ko? After namin dumating sa hotel, pupunta na kami sa kakainan namin. Maghahanap kami ng mga food. And our target ay... Tara na. Po Muslim. So, lalakarin namin siya. Titignan namin kung talagang 8 minutes walk lang. Dahil unang-una sa lahat,
Silibutan na nga. Babae natin. Ay, rapid. Kailangan natin sa babae.
para tayong nag-coronation night dito ng Miss Universe. You are in to the top 15. Meron ba dito? Meron din pala ilang dito. So tara, lalakarin natin yung Po Muslim para mag-lunch tayo today. Nandito kami ngayon sa labas ng Serenity Premier Hotel at dito kami nag-book ng hotel.
Ano nga yung hanapin nyo?
Po Muslim. Hahanapin na natin. Pero sa ano yan? Yung surrounding nila.
Let's go!
Go!
Tingnan nyo mga bag nyo.
Opo, tignan daw natin ang mga bag.
Mag-coffee
Yun daw muna. Actually, nakita ko to sa TikTok na, dito sila nag-upo. Ganito sa Vietnam, kailangan malakas ang loob mo para maglakad-lakad.
Dami Charmaine. Charmaine.
Wow!
Charmaine.
Charmaine.
One fried chicken, one shrimp roll, bread, 2 meat.
Okay, and this one,
Snack, okay.
2 lemon iced tea,
Okay.
1 peach tea ice,
Inshallah.
and then, do you have Coca-Cola Zero?
2, 1,
1,
1, 0.
0.
Yeah,
Okay.
inshallah.
Inshallah. So, wala nang kakainin si Ukay.
Meron. Ewan ko lang din sa isa.
Ano yan?
Pero ito talaga masarap. This one.
Hindi na ako
This
magkuhan.
one.
Hindi na masaya. Wala nang pagpapanggap. Hello!
This is the sad reality. It's raining. We're here at Train Street.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow. After makabili ng pickleball paddle, let's try ito, coffee. Okay, how's the coffee?
kasarap!
Masarap?
Actually magkakaparehas na sila ng lasa.
Masarap. Masarap, no?
Maalat itong akin.
Kasi salt, malamang salt. Hindi, ganito kasi egg coffee talaga ito. Ito talaga yung... Malamang egg coffee. Ano yung sayo?
Caramel.
Caramel?
Hindi, magurong na tayo dito sa
Forward.
kadalang ko sa namin. Ay,
Angin to.
kadalang ko mag-customer ang makaayon sa Tama, mali. Tama, mambo ka pang business. So, ibabalos ka. Apeng kapag yung tumamo sa dobo ni pwede ka pala patali ka picture, ka-video ni Sulati, kahit video lang man. Kahit mga 10 seconds lang.
Na paano kami? Di na kami makita ng tray.
Matagal pa man ang train mag-ano to, pwedeng kayo sunod.
Hindi
Mga
na magbalik.
bukas.
Hindi na magbalik. Ayaw mo ng selfie? Lahat
Picture
tayo?
lang?
I mean, lahat tayo.
Pwede man.
Like, ganito ko lang.
I'm feeling so good at a that party. We don't have to talk. I know what you want me. Gotta keep it nice. We cannot be naughty. We could get drinks or we could get coffee. Feeling so good at a that party. We don't have to talk. I know what you want me.
Ginabidyoan din tayo.
Kagasto sa 600.
Here. Then look at my passport holder. It's 17. Let's go. Parang maganda yung ganyan lang, oh. Ganyan lang.
Yung nakaupo ka lang dyan, no?
Herbal Vital. Ang daming coffee shop.
Perfect.
Nice to meet you.
Napanood ko yan sa vlog.
And here see us
Ah,
on
yun yung
20
worm.
days. So from 17 days they don't sleep anymore. They keep the light and grow up quickly. But if you can free or
Hello.
yeah, we have a silkworm make cocoon by spitting a silk thread from their mouth, winding around their body from outside to inside to finish the cocoon in 4 days. It's softer and you can spin silk thread easily. From one cocoon we can get about 500 to 1,000 meter. And from silk cocoon we can make different kind of silk, such as capital silk, China silk, and raw silk. To make raw silk, we spin silk thread by hand, freeze them together. So we have a thick and rough silk thread, and there are some small knot on this like this. Yeah. To make tackle silk, we use about 15 to 20 silk thread from 15 to 20 cocoon. You see? Yeah.
Yeah. Thread niya. So smooth.
We spin with this handicraft too. So we have a thick and strong silk thread like this. You see?
Ah, okay.
Yeah. After having a big roll of silk thread like this, we take it off, line the column, and put it in the weaving loom over there to make the roll.
Grabe, maganda. Can we touch? No.
This is weaving loom. Vietnamese people have it used in 1940.
Family home.
Oh, your family's home.
Yes, for a big family. You can use that.
Okay.
And yes, it's the big and package together. Half big, half package together. The family will put together still live here. This is about rice and for people. Many of house unfortunately home.
So this is
Family not China.
the house.
Their family home.
Ganitong bahay nila.
Authentic local.
Philippines.
Next is a chatty batic of oil lamp.
Oil lamp.
Oil of water.
Oil lamp daw ito.
So on the home.
Ah, oh, ito daw yung may-ari.
I'm here waiting for and Saudi for bring every money and family food.
Ano, silver. Gagawa silang silver. What's this? Mabigat eh. Silver. Bato. Oh,
Silver, real silver. Yes.
Mon bahay ng mga parang paday.
Kita niyo, i-prepare din yung kung bahay nyo sa laki ka. Kababator.
Daming massage, daming coffee shop ang daming flavor. Would you like me to end our trip
at the
as fun near the old town?
Ni. Uy, kagay.
Cafe.
Ni cafe. Popoy.
Paipo.
Paipo.
Yes. Near the Paipo Cafe. We're here at Paipo Cafe.
Hello, good afternoon. So nandito kami ngayon sa Old Town and hinihintay lang namin na gumabi para makapag lantern boat kami mamaya. So this is my friends.
Order tayo ng iba-iba para matikman natin. Wala, cheese is king.
Cheesy sweet ka? Sige, dyan ako sa...
I don't have fit and sweet. I have just this part.
Ah, okay.
What is this 10%, 20%? What is that?
Discount?
I discount.
Discount?
This and this discount 10% and this discount
Ay, yung
20%.
50% na lang kunin natin.
Hindi, isa-isa na lang.
Isa-isa na lang?
Oh.
Oh, sige.
One order each. One order all. Picture mo ba?
Ay,
Naka-video yan.
naka-video pala, sorry.
Taste test.
Uy, in fairness, mabangong banh mi niya. Wala lang sana
Eh, nakuha ko.
coriander. Hindi ko alam ano
Feeling
ito.
ko wagyu.
Wagyu? Ano sa'yo, Tasha?
Shawarma ata to?
Ano sa'yo, Rapid?
Eggs.
Eggs. Ano nga sabi mo?
Masarap. I like. Compared doon sa first banh mi na nakain natin, I like. I like this.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. First, unang kagat para sa inyo.
Ako lang sa banh mi yung bread niya medyo makunat, no? Wagyu. Ang ganda ng ambience dito. Please have a seat when you're ready to enjoy our service. Ito naga-paint siya. Ang ganda ng painting niya, oh. What? Anong tea yan?
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea? Thank you. Picture na natin. Picture. Okay, it's okay. Nasang albatros? Kasi herbal. Anong kon?
Hindi ko gusto. Sino may gusto nito? Tepagkwa.
Tepagkwa.
Tepagkwa sa
Ang ganda nito, oh. Cute. Picturean ko kayo. Maganda dyan.
para magpantay siya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yan, lumamanipot na
Doon ka sa bala. Doon ka sa bala. Doon ka sa bala. Yan. Yan.
Dito rin siya. Kasi man, tatang dito ka dito.
Ah, ganyan?
Kolosiban na wasay lambahan habis sa pag-ibig parang kasahan heway na wasala
Bakit ito tayo napunta? Mama!
Ay, okay.
Living life with somebody, so the aritai. It's now not about just me, don't you agree? Happiness, what to